Hello friends, welcome to Path for Learner YouTube channel. Subscribe to our channel to know the latest update about NEET. In this video, we are going to see about important do or die chapters for NEET. How to get 520 plus marks in 42 days. Mistakes to be avoided in these 42 days. Don't skip the video, watch till the last to know all valuable information. Let's see how to study for NEET. Most students commit mistake by spending equal time for reading each chapter, but the outcome will be moderate or decreased score, and this is wrong method that major students do. Then how to study smarter for NEET? Follow this method, that is, study only 50 to 60% of the syllabus in this short time and score more than 75% of mark, above 540. If you are already getting 400 to 500 marks, then follow this strategy to get 600 plus marks. Scores from each subject by doing only most important chapters and topics. You can get 140 plus in zoology, botany you can get 140, chemistry 120, physics 100. Total you can get 500 plus 20 marks in your favorite subjects. Then how to find important chapters and topics for NEET? Answer is by analyzing previous year questions. Let's see important chapters in each subject. First we will see in physics. You should know all basic concepts in each subject before studying the important chapters. Basic concepts in physics are units and dimension, vector, etc. Let's see important chapters. Don't miss any important chapters. Important chapters in chemistry. First, we should know basic concepts like some basic concepts of chemistry, periodic classification of elements, general organic chemistry, etc. Then we will see the important chapters. Now, let's see important chapters in biology. In biology, all topics are important, but you can skip topics which are highly volatile like morphology of flowering plants, human health and disease. If you have enough time, study these topics in the last so that you can remember these topics in the exam well. And most important information, don't skip common topics in two subjects like thermodynamics, kinetic theory of gas, and atoms and nuclei. These chapters are common in both physics and chemistry. Some topics are common in chemistry and biology like environmental chemistry, biomolecules, etc. Let's see how to complete NEET syllabus in 42 days. In first 35 days, do 2 chapters per day and practice MCQ of the chapter in that day itself. Practice 1 mock test per week. Then in last 10 days, Practice grand test 2 days once and analyze your question paper and revise the answers. Revise topics which you have read in that last 45 days. Daily schedule for first 35 days. Monday to Saturday, read and complete 2 chapters per day, that is 13 to 14 chapters per week. In Sunday, revise the topics which you read in that week and write the mock test. Avoid these mistakes in the last minute preparation. Use only NCRT, especially for biology and chemistry. Practice more MCQs for each chapter. Don't stick to one chapter for long time. Then study remaining chapters just as overview other than important topics. Leave the topics if you feel difficult or consumes more time to complete. Frequently asked questions by NEET aspirants. That is, can I crack NEET or score good marks if I start from now? Yes, you can score good marks in NEET if you start immediately from now. But you all need to do is smart work along with hard work. All the best for NEET aspirants. Thank you.